these 5x7 picture frames here, set of 4. Looks nicer than expected, rustic, warm, and pulled together without trying too hard. I didn't unwrap these yet because I'm going to be gifting these, but they have the wood grain finish, gives that farmhouse charm without the splintery commitment. The HD plastic cover, on the outside is a plastic cover instead of the glass, lightweight, clear, and kid-friendly. No cracked glass, no drama. It is wall mount and tabletop, okay? They have the supplies in here to mount it on the wall as well, and you are good to go. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. These are practical frames. They don't feel cheap. They don't look cheap. And they work equally well for family photos, wedding pics, or gifting without screaming last minute. If you want a cohesive, cozy frame that plays well together and they don't require all kinds of finessing, this set truly delivers. I love the colors, gray, blue, brown, and off-white kind of gray. Love them. Classic, versatile, and quietly stylish. These frames do exactly what they're supposed to, and they look good doing it. This is the 5x7 size.